All right, guys, like I told you before, 9-foot 6-inch shoreline plugger. All right, this is the Rockaway 6000 spinner. This is what I call my multi-purpose rig. This was meant to be a medium to medium heavy plugging rig, but I use multi-purpose, which means also a dunking rig, you know, like a surf casting rig. And I've already picked up a 8-pounder oil, which is bonefish with this rig. I picked up stingrays, jacks, everything. So today I'm using a 4-ounce, and I got my bonefish rig out, which is twin baits here on mustad live bait hooks. So let's just give this a gentle toss out. So wish me luck today.
Nice, cool, windy morning. Now this rod is only rated for 5/8 ounces. I'm using a 5/8 ounce lead, but you know what? It can handle more. Trust me, it can. Just from the feel, I can tell. So when I cast it out, see, I know it's about 6 feet or so, maybe 7 feet there. Wait a couple of seconds, let it sink. Then I start bringing it in. When it gets closer to the edge here, I increase the retrieval speed, because the 5/8 ounce lead will sink faster, and the hook and or the lead may hit the bottom or get caught on something. I love this ActionHat. ActionHat was nice enough to send this to me.